Rhino Aluminium was established in 2013. We're an aluminium fabricator of AUK and Kernick. Our typical customers are homeowners, which we supply to via the trade. They're looking for flush systems, flush windows that operate well, usually bigger windows as well. We're using Window Designer since the beginning of 2021. Well, it's the main tool we use. Every single quotation we do runs through it. Every single order we process runs through it. And it's the backbone of the company, really. We were probably using it for around 6 months before we looked into all the additional items they do, the production manager, delivery manager, stock manager, the retail cloud to allow our customers to do their own quotations from home. The first bolt-on we got was the production and delivery manager, which allowed us to accurately book in projects, ease of seeing where we could book projects in, the space we got in the factory, how busy the factory is, how long our lead times are. If a customer phoned up and said, when can you get this made for me? I can quickly give them a date accurately of when we've got the space to fit their project. Stock control allows us to see week by week exactly how much profile we're going to have on the shelf based on what we've got booked in the schedule at the moment. Don't want to hold too much stock, we don't want to hold too little stock, and this helps us know exactly what we need. We definitely saw a benefit straight away because before we had stock control, it was quite a manual process, and if anything, we probably ordered too much and had too much on the shelf, or we ordered too little and failed to complete some jobs. Our scan stations help massively, just mainly in the process of an orders, because there's no more paperwork that we need to do. Everything runs through computers. So straight down to the factory, an order could be processed and ready to make in the factory 2 minutes later. The scan stations allow us to know from the office exactly where in the process an order is, if it's been cut, if it's finished, if it's ready to go, if it's already been delivered, we will know. Cloud Retailer helps a lot because it allows our biggest customers to save so much time. They have access to our system, the same system we have, any time of day, whenever they want, from any internet browser. It allows them to produce their own quotations, send orders straight through. It removes all the need for dealing with paperwork with us. It massively helps our relationship because they don't have to, if we've got a long queue for quotations because we're quite busy, then they just jump that queue straight away because they do the quote whenever they want. I think we have a good relationship with First Degree, especially Greg, because I phone him all the time. Well, they've got a help service, so any problems we come across, they can dial straight into our computer, help us with any problems we've got if there is, or any questions, because there's quite a lot of development on Window Designer you can do yourself if you want to change things. So if I've got questions about that, I just phone them up, they tell me, and I can do my own development. Well, they did the whole setup. They come in, spent a few days here, did the whole setup for us. Anything specialised we needed, we went through, changed anything we needed to on their software to try and get it to suit what we needed.